What is good, YouTube? So, I'm going to be rebuilding the Kansas City Chiefs. Oh my fucking god, no, my phone doesn't work, bro. Alright, there we go. Alright. We're 115. First ever watching video. I'm shocked. And I can't believe we're watching. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's no way. There's no fuck. Hey, I'll take that shit. Why are you rebuilding the Kansas City Chiefs when they're quote unquote good in real life? Well, I'm doing this. It's not my doing. Hold on, let me get my glasses. I'm gonna take my contacts out. There you go. I got my glasses on. They are pink glasses because I lost my other ones. But yeah, so I can have my face cam on. They are actually like kind of like blue light glasses. Like they have like blue lights now. It's just like the reading and like the glasses and shit. If we could actually, so basically my goal is to win Super Bowl. Is really what my goal is. But yeah, that's really what it is. I'm actually doing the full game plan. This shit might be on side. You feel me? Ooh. Ooh. Get fucking juke, bitch. Ow! I got a shit. That's fucking farted. I get canceled. I'm fucking farting. Well, I'm farting. Also, y'all, if y'all were wondering why I haven't posted in like over a month or shit, or a week, for an entire week straight, I actually got a strike on YouTube, which is you can't upload for a week. And I'm like trying not to upload like a lot because if I get 2 more strikes, my account's gonna turn off, and that's gonna end of fucking my channel. I shouldn't be cursing though. Alright, I'm gonna stop cursing for the rest of this video. Because I'm not trying to lose my channel and stuff. And y'all, when I get a new phone and it's an iPhone, I'm probably gonna put my channel. I was like, I actually don't know. I probably like think about it. But y'all, let me know if y'all want more face cam videos. Also, check out my TikTok. It's literally my if y'all think I'm better, if y'all like the face cam vids, let me know down on my TikTok. Let me know on my TikTok. If I don't cook in Denver, and they're like 11 to 5, I gotta be freaking. Oh my god! Yo, this wide receiver is a god. He's literally a demigod. I'm honestly so slow. Yo, the reason also why I haven't been posting is basically because of school. That's really it. And I feel I hope my brother knows like I can't talk, I'm doing a video. Hey yo. If y'all want me to do videos with friends, let me know and then I will be able to talk. But we have to be on the Discord call. I'm gonna hit a field goal so I can get this close. His achievement, I hit really 50 field goals. Do the passengers, 20 yards, 300 yards. Stop the perfect one. I'll take those achievements and win a game. What's your birthday? This is ridiculous. 3 offense, 5 defense. Oh, 28-0. Look, that's insane, man. Alright. No pillow. No pillow. Hold on. Dang! I should do some. Yes, I should do. I should say we should do. Y'all, here's the dog. He's a winner. He's a podcast. I'm signing him, sorry. And then we're gonna trade him. And then we're gonna have 2 picks. Then we can get him. And then so bad. This TV is because of is it on TV already? Yeah. But he's just alright, I'm gonna pause the recording real quick. I'm gonna text my brother, and I'm gonna say, ask if we can start this one. Alright, y'all. I'm back. So I asked him to pull this up. So we can talk. Because when I call, when I'm on the phone, we get bugs with my recording. So that's really why I wouldn't call in Discord. Because when I call my Discord, my recording's perfectly fine and stuff. Also, I'm not leaking any information. So you know, YouTube. I'm not leaking his info or stuff. Alright, I have to say that so I don't get canceled, so I don't get like another strike. Like, because YouTube will ban me for giving my personal info. But y'all, look at this. Look at this football score. Oh, Colorado's playing. 77-3. Florida State. I'm kind of like a Florida State fan. Minnesota, 66-0. Kind of a Minnesota fan. Penn State, I don't care about you. 62-14? Alright, I'm gonna keep that up. Alright, let's go back to the. Yeah. Sorry, let's go off track. I might put my contacts back in. Like I said, they're kind of blue light, and since I'm playing like on the phone, and I had to be kind of close to the screen, it's setting my eyes. I'm apologizing. That's what I'm saying. But let me know if y'all like face cam vids. Like, I don't really wear my glasses, like in my videos when I do face cams. I always wear like my contacts. But I have to like take my contacts off before I go to bed because they can ruin my vision. Alright, so I'm gonna take my glasses off and let me know if y'all think I'm even there. Alright, look. Do I look Asian? Do I look Asian at all? I can't see good, so like. I'm putting them back on. But let me know, do I look Asian? Like, I'm not Asian. I know I'm not Asian. Oh my god, this might be a perfect room. Yep, that's a perfect room. People are just like, oh, mama, big body smell. Y'all may be wondering, why is the background different? I'm in an Airbnb. Oh, I threw you away, pillow. Big body is mama. Big body is. I'm gonna do like next game, and I'm gonna do like a part, like and stuff, like part 1, part 2, and stuff. This is my remote, if you're wondering. My remote. This is what cracked my screen. Okay. Everybody is my mom. My next video, I'm probably just gonna keep my content in. But let me know if y'all like the face cam. Like I said, a million times. Everybody is my mom. If y'all are wondering, I actually do make my videos on Android phone. Like, tons of people like record their videos on like iPhones and stuff. My family's kind of broke. I mean broke. That's a problem. Y'all are wondering, why am I doing this shovel? Why don't you like Fortnite, Minecraft? Well, because Retro was a free game, and there's a lot of Retro videos. And I couldn't see that, but hold up. Yow! What the heck? Why is the camera covering? But like, oh, that's just where my camera is. I was like, what? I'm gonna throw a bomb. A 4v1. You come down with it. Like I said, it's running box, a demigod. Alright, y'all. So, if y'all think I should bring my, like, if y'all, like, if y'all go to my school and y'all see what's up, like, I like my hands. I know I like my hands. Schedule project. I'm gonna criticize it. Like, you're a freshman. Alright, Miami. Let's watch this game in motion. Oh my god. Kansas City. Incomplete. What's him? 2-3. Deal. Down by 7. It's a passing play? Okay. Oh my god, my number 7 off. No way. Alright, we gotta come in. Excuse me. I'm sorry, y'all, for that. Yes. go for a field goal or not. Well, we can, but what? If we go for a field goal on our next drive, if we like do come down to it, they don't score, we can win. Please. Yeah, I'm gonna crash out. Let me show it. I'm gonna restart it. We're gonna stop. We're gonna use timeout because we can waste some time. Oh, no. No. We just wasted time. We just wasted timeout so much. Yeah, we only have one timeout. We're screwed. If we somehow get a cause a fourth down and they punt and we get the ball, it's a miracle. Like, we have to score on this drive. Like, we have to. There's no other way. No, I didn't mean to throw it. Sure, end of the video.